Abdominal curl 2, when I want to perform this in an imprint spine, so just raise the pubic bone higher than the hip bone while maintaining the tailbone on the ground. And then keeping the T-zone, we're going to inhale, lift the leg, exhale, lift the other leg. Place your hands right behind your head as you inhale T-zone and exhale, curl the ribs towards the hips. Inhale, return, exhale, curl. We want to maintain that imprinted spine, so we want to keep that tailbone on the floor. We want to keep the T-zone engaged. We're just performing a tightening of the ribs and pulling abdominal pressure in. So it should look nice and flat in the midsection. What we don't want to see is we don't want to see us pulling our head towards the legs. If you can see that we're starting to actually push abdominal pressure out. And we don't also want to see our tailbone lifting off the floor. How you can tell is if you can see the legs starting to come towards you. And once again, the belly starts to dome outwards. Now, if you're happy to progress forward, you can start to use some arms into the movements. As you exhale, tighten the ribs. Your arms reach down by your sides. But we're still maintaining that imprinted spine. Tailbone is staying off on the ground. T-zone still nice and tight. And as we exhale, we tighten those ribs even more as we move with the breath. So exhale, tighten. Inhale, return.